The problem the Igbos are having is the problem of availability. If they make themselves available, they will be the president of Nigeria. Somebody might ask, what the heck is this woman talking about? What does she mean that they've not made themselves available? I will clarify that. Availability. I saw the three men you put their picture on screen. It's actually funny that you decide to pick those three men for Igbos. I wish you luck. You see, availability it comes like naturally. Then you put a little tweet to it to showcase it. Availability is making yourself a Nigerian, not a Biafran. For now, this set of people you are showing, they have not made themselves a Nigerian. I will come to that. They've not. None of them have made themselves a Nigerian. What is making yourself a Nigerian? Two things. Make yourself a Nigerian in the Nigerian sense of it, and then make yourself a Nigerian by your